Hello students, I hope you all are following all the protective measures that I have shared with you in my last class. As a reminder, I have used some animation picture which shows awareness about COVID-19. Preventing ourselves from COVID-19 infection, let's move to the third chapter of your class. Let's start. Chapter 3, Topic Rotation and Revolution. Okay, Spotlight. What we are going to learn in this part 1 video, we are going to learn understanding rotation and effects of rotation. Rotation. What is a rotation? Rotation is a process or act of turning or circling around something. An example of rotation is the Earth's orbit around the Sun. And you can see in your right hand side as an example of a rotation. A rotation is a process of turning or circling, how the ball is turning around. As this is an example of a rotation. Rotation of the Earth. Earth spins on its own axis from west to east. This is known as the rotation of the Earth. Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. We can understand the rotation has a spinning top or a ball spinning in the air. Has Earth spin its own axis. See, this is an axis. It's a axis. It used to spin its own axis from west to east. And Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Earth takes 24 hours. It takes to complete one rotation. How many hours? 24 hours to complete one rotation. We can understand the rotation by looking this ball. Okay. The rotation means the spinning a top or a ball spinning on the air. How it's spinning. It's a example how the earth rotates. Okay. Now moving to the next example. Here is another example of earth rotation. Earth rotates from west to east. It rotates from here to east. From west to east. It's rotate from here like this. Very slowly. And you know the earth takes how many hours? 24 hours to complete one rotation. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. As this was the another example of earth rotation from where they used to move from west to east. Effects of rotation of the earth. The rotation, spinning of the earth on its axis cause day and night. When the earth spins its own axis, that cause day and night. See, its axis of the earth, and when it spins, it causes day and night. As the sun is a fixed source of heat and light at the center of the solar system, the side of the earth that facing away from the sun experiences a night. Means here, whatever it is back of the earth, it's not facing the sun, it's not getting the sun, it is towards the back of the earth that will face the night, and the facing towards the sun experience a day. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, as I explained you just before. See how the rotation takes 24 hours. See, very slowly it will rotate it. Here is an example of occurring day and night, and here is a example of the rotation, how it moves and how it takes 24 hours. Very slowly it's rotate. When the earth rotates, it's rotate very slowly. Okay, here is another example of a earth causing day and night, and you can try it at home also. Here are the things: you need a ball or a flashlight of a mobile. You can try it at home, as this is an example of a sun, and you may keep a ball over here, and you may on a light facing towards the ball, so it may cause the side of the earth facing the sun daylight, and the other side the earth experience a night. You can try it at home also. Rule of thumb. Another way to understand how the earth rotates is to hold out our right hand with thumb pointed upwards. When we curl our fingers, they curl in the direction of the earth rotation. See here, the thumb, which is upwards, it's an axis, and the forefinger is an example of the earth. And when you need to curl your finger from this way, from west to east, from here you need to curl your finger, and this will be an example of a rotation of a earth. You have to curl from this way, curl your finger from this way. You can try it at home. Here is a clear image of a thumb rule. You can try it at home with your right hand. You need to curl this forefinger from this way, from west to east. You know the earth rotates from west to east, so you need to curl from this way. You try it at home, then you'll understand. Here we end our class. I hope you have understood. Thank you. This was a part 1 video. Very soon I'll be back with part 2 with the same chapter. Stay home, stay safe, take care.